In early 2026, T-Mobile released a crucial software update and protocol known as the eSIM Activation Failed Fix 2026 to combat persistent errors encountered during eSIM activation. This update addresses issues that arose primarily after the 2025 network upgrades to 5G standalone SA, which introduced incompatibilities with existing eSIM setups. We'll explore what caused these failures and how T-Mobile resolved them. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital alternative to traditional physical SIM cards. Unlike physical SIM cards that you insert into your phone, an eSIM is built into the device's hardware. It lets you activate cellular plans digitally through carriers like T-Mobile. To activate an eSIM, you scan a QR code provided by T-Mobile. This code contains the necessary information to set up your cellular service. Once scanned, the QR code triggers the download of a digital SIM profile. This profile is installed on your device and automatically registers it with T-Mobile's network for service. In contrast, physical SIM cards are small plastic chips that must be physically inserted into your device. eSIM eliminates this need entirely. eSIM technology enables cloud-based activation where you can set up service remotely without visiting a store. This is shown in activation method comparisons. T-Mobile's 2026 fix directly improves the eSIM activation process, addressing common issues and making it more reliable for everyone. Several factors contributed to eSIM activation failures on T-Mobile before the 2026 fix. First, network congestion during peak hours overloaded T-Mobile's servers, making it difficult to process activation requests. Second, outdated device firmware caused incompatibilities with T-Mobile's systems, leading to failed activations. Third, user errors during QR code scanning, such as poor internet or incorrect entry, prevented successful activation. Fourth, specific access point name conflicts with VPNs or firewalls interfered with T-Mobile's eSIM setup. These issues culminated after the 5G standalone rollout in 2025, which introduced new network complexities. The eSIM Activation Failed Fix 2026 introduces several key improvements to make eSIM activation more reliable. It features smart retry algorithms that automatically reattempt activation with optimized parameters, minimizing the need for user intervention. The update also includes patches for known bugs in the SIM toolkit, enhancing stability and compatibility with T-Mobile's network. Additionally, it improves error handling and reporting, providing clearer feedback during the activation process. Overall, these improvements ensure a more robust and reliable activation process for T-Mobile eSIM users. Since the rollout of the eSIM Activation Failed Fix 2026, T-Mobile has seen significant improvements in eSIM activation success rates. Internal metrics from February 2026 showed a 75% reduction in activation failures. Overall, activation success rates climbed from 85% in late 2025 to approximately 92% as of March 2026. This improvement has expanded coverage areas and made activation processes faster and more reliable. Even with the 2026 fix, activation failures can still occur. First, ensure your device is compatible with T-Mobile's eSIM service and has the latest software updates, such as iOS 17 or Android 13 and higher. Next, check that your device has the latest software updates to resolve any compatibility issues with the eSIM service. Then, verify that you have a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data, as this is required for the activation process. After confirming these basics, retry the eSIM activation process by following the steps in the T-Mobile app. If activation still fails, use the automated diagnostic tool in the T-Mobile customer support app or contact T-Mobile support directly for further assistance. The adoption of eSIM technology is rapidly increasing, with T-Mobile leading the way in the U.S. market. Looking ahead, the industry anticipates a shift towards fully digital onboarding processes, reducing the need for physical SIM cards. T-Mobile aims for full eSIM exclusivity for new activations by 2027. AI-driven diagnostics promise to further minimize failures through predictive fixes. Experts like Dr. Sarah Chen from Gartner emphasize the fix as a turning point in carrier reliability, leveraging machine learning for proactive error prevention. A 2026 Consumer Reports poll showed a significant increase in user satisfaction with eSIM post-fix, rising from 62% in 2025 to 78%. This highlights the real-world impact of T-Mobile's efforts to improve eSIM activation.